There's need for practical cross-border collaboration if the global green transition is to move from ambition to impact. Estonia's ambassador to Kenya, Erik, says the shift to a green economy can no longer be pursued in isolation. The Estonian ambassador says Estonia has developed KijaniMatch, a clean tech-focused business matchmaking platform linking Estonian and Kenyan companies in areas such as energy efficiency, agritech, and digital forestry. Erik is urging Kenyan enterprises to position themselves as co-creators by leveraging the platform's advisory support to pilot technologies locally and build scalable business models that support job creation, skills transfer, and long-term green industrial growth.
We see Kenya as a doorway to Africa for Estonian companies, and hopefully Estonia will also be the doorway to the European Union for Kenyan companies. So what we're really looking is everything in innovation. So smart solutions. In Estonia, what we are best at is after the infrastructure is put into place, we help the infrastructure operate in a more efficient manner. And I think that we see different solutions like M-Pesa, for example. So we see that Kenya is really on the cusp of innovation, and that's, I think, where we can work together.
And we think that by offering some of those solutions to Kenyan companies that are trying to achieve the same is something that we need to do. But we had a challenge. How do we find these Kenyan companies? And how do we match them to Estonian companies? The database in Estonia is quite available, but we don't know who's doing what in Kenya. So that's how KijaniMatch came. So it's an opportunity for Kenyan companies to go on the site, register who they are, what they do, give us as much information and what they want to achieve. That allows us then to be able to find them credible partners on the Estonian side who are also doing something similar to them and then put that together. So that's what KijaniMatch is out to achieve.
More than 75% of our enterprises are also small and medium-sized enterprises. So we have a really good knowledge and experience how to involve in those smaller enterprises in the whole value chain. So what is important, I think, is that if you create those partnerships, then you may have one leading partner who is bigger, but at the same time, there is a condition that you need to involve smaller enterprises into the whole value chain.